Today's video has some bad language in it. If that bothers you, don't watch the video. I apologize for that, but it was a natural reaction to what was going on around me. So I apologize in advance for that. But anyway, what's the story? Today, I was working in my shop behind me with a guy that works here, and we were tinkering with his truck. And all of a sudden, I'm like, hey, seem a little smoky to you? He's like, yeah, I think it seems a little smoky. And I says, hey, you smell fire? He's like, yeah, man, I smell fire. So we ran outside, and I got this truck parked about 10 feet from my new shed here with all my stuff in it. And yeah, it was on fire. This truck had been sitting here for like a month and a half. It ain't been touched, so it's not like somebody was, you know, tinkering with something and messed it up. It's just, it happened, and this is what happened. So I grabbed the fire extinguisher that I needed, and my driver grabbed the camera, and this happened. There you go.
Fuck. It's still on.
Shit.
That's the battery, huh?
Son of a gun. Son of a bitch. Fuck my life.
What the fuck?
Can't have nice things. Gosh damn it. What in the fuck?